Okay, good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at the indices or exponents, the last part of it, chapter 3. Alright, so today we're looking at square roots and cube roots. In chapter 1 we saw that the square root of 2 to the exponent 14 times 3 to the exponent 6 can be written as 2 to the 7, which is 14 divided by 2. And 3 to the 6, which is 6 divided by 2 is 3. Namely, the 2 in the square root is divided into the indices, which is also known as exponents, while the base remain the same. But remember, what's the square root of 9? Okay, we just give the right reference here. This is examples for exercise 4. And exercise 4, of course, is on page 34, and then this is examples. Oops. Sorry about this. These examples is on page 34 as well. Okay. So people, what's the square root of 9? 3. What's the square root of 16? 4. What's the square root of 16? A16. 4. A 4. What's the square root of A16? 8 to the exponent 16 over 2. Well, didn't you see the note that was given earlier on? You were told that. You saw that the square root of 2 to the 14 and 3 to the 6, namely the 2 in the square root is divided into the exponents. Can you see that? You all wrote it down, we read it together earlier on, and yeah, you're still saying 4. If you follow this rule, the exponent must be divided by this root. Can you see that, people? So what's that going to give us? 8 to the 8. Not so. So that's going to be 8. Yes. Remember, okay, let's take it one back. I see you guys are finding this difficult to believe. What is 4 A8 times 4 A8? What's 4 times 4? 16 A. A8 times A8? 8 is 16. Why? When we're multiplying and bases are the same, we add the exponents. Can you see that, people? So there we go. There you can see it's the same. Otherwise, you could have also said 4a to the exponent 8 squared. What is 4 squared? There's a 4, there's a 1 here, not so. 1 times 2, a, 8 times 2. So it's 4. 1 times 2 is 2, a, 16. What is 4 squared? 16a, 16. Two different ways of doing the same. Okay. See any confusion here? So then what should the next answer be to this here? The square root of 2 to the 8. This will be 2 to the exponent 4. How do we get 4? 8 over 2. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 is 2 times 2 is? What's 2 times 2? 4 times 2? And 8 times 2? 16. Go to the next one, B. X 8 over. There's no number here. What is here? Hence the square root. Square root is 2. Yes, Michael?
So I don't understand 2 to the power of 8 in the square root. Because, sir, what is the square root of 2?
But the base will remain the same, Michael. remember the base will remain the same. If you look at this here, you see that there's no exponents on there. Can you see that? It's only what when the base has an exponent, as you can see here. The exponent there. Then I take that's exponent, then I divide it by that number. In this case is 2. Later on you'll see that you've got a different exponent. Okay. And what's 8 divided by 4? And 8 divided by 2? Okay, since you don't understand, eh? Do the sum. What is this going to give us? Then I can see what you still don't understand. This will be 2 to the exponent?
6 divided by 3.
6 divided by 3, which is?
2.
And 2 squared is? Oh, now you understand. To the next one. What will the next one be?
A 6 divided to the 6 divided by 3.
And 6 divided by 3 is?
A 2.
Just going back to the note here, we are told that namely 2 in the square root of 2 is divided into the indices or the exponents, while the base remains there. The base will remain there? Same. Okay. So that's why that 2 remained the 2, the x remained x, the 2 remained 2, and the a remained a.
So,
Yes.
so when we're doing this, do we have to do like the middle steps, or can we just put
You can go straight to the answer. Yes, on the side?
So I come online for one to say, but remember,
Sorry?
16 to the 16.
Huh?
How come on that one we like the base instead of saying you can 4?
Yeah, because that 16 doesn't have an exponent on it.
Oh,
Yes, the 16 doesn't have the exponent. The a has the exponent. That's why we divided that exponent of 16 by 2. Okay, anyone else? Here's the next one. The cube root of p to the 9, q to the 6. The cube root of p to the 9, q to the 6. What will this be? What will this answer be? This will be p to the exponent 9 over 3. Q to the exponent 6 over 3. There's p. What's 9 over 3? 3. Q. 6 over 3? Is there anybody that doesn't understand who is confused? You all understand, huh? Right. Right, so let's look at this example here quickly. That is fairly simple. Not politics, you're not into politics. Some of you are probably, eh? I just want to do maths and go home. People, the square root of 8 to the 6. What will that give us? This can be written as 8 to the 6 over 2. And 6 over 2 is? You all agree with that? Do the next one quickly. The cube root of 8 to the 6. So what will this one give us? 8 to the exponent, 6 over 3. And 6 over 3 is? 2. Is there anybody that's confused? Not yet. Okay? You're not confused until we give you exactly the same sum in your exam. Then that is where the problem is. Well, there's an x3. What's the square root of 9? 3. 8. 8 over 2. So it will be 3a to the exponent 4. Who got that right? Right. You got it right this time. Go for it on the side. Where'd you go wrong? People. Who got it right? Okay, all good. Nice. Do number 4 quickly. The square root of 16p 8q10. Okay, let's go for in front. What's your answer? 4 P4 Q5. You will agree with that?
Yes.
Who got that wrong? You got it wrong, Michael? So why's your hand up? You get it right or wrong? So why's your hand like this? It's not like it anymore. You got it right. Right, well done. For those of you who don't understand, the square root of 16 of course is 4. Then P 8 over 2. And Q 10 over 2. Which is 4P 4Q5. Yes, Michael? Yes. If you got that, full marks. And you got the answer. We don't have to do this, yes. Okay. Was that why your hand was like this? People, the next one, number 5. You got 25 P6 Q10. Right, to go behind her. Not Sarah, no? Sarah. Right, go for it, Michael. 5, yes? 6 over 2, yes? Q? 10 over 2. Nice. Which is? P3? Nice. Let's give you 2 minutes, you do the next one. So pause the video. Do the next 2. I'm gonna pause the video, no? Right! So people, is this the 9th root here? No. So this is actually, in other words, 9 multiplied by. So that will be 8 to the 4 over 2. B, 6 over 2. Do I have to have that multiplication sign? No. So that will be 9a, 4 over 2 is 2b. What did you write, Michael, that didn't understand? Yeah. So now why you tell me you don't understand? Who helped you? Okay, who helped you? I helped myself. Is that what you're trying to say? Nice. No, so I think that should be a learning curve for most of us. Try and do it. Okay? Even if you get it wrong, it's okay. No, don't be that girl that wants to get everything right all the time. Okay? I know most of the girls are like that, no?
Yes.
You see it from at home and the mommy is always right. Am I right?
Yes.
No, not in your case.
No, sir.
Okay. People, let's go with the next one. But importantly, you must try. Alright, then we can tell you where we're going. What's the cube root of 8? 2. A 3 over 3. Why over 3 and not 2 any longer? Because that is the cube root. Verstaan jy? Ja. So it will be B 6 over 3. So that will give us 2A.
Of, I mean,
3 over 3 is 1. Do I have to write the 1? No. B 6 over 3, which is? Okay. You guys understand? Yes, my girl. No, you won't lose them. I'll give you right the 1. Okay. Anybody else? There are 3 more sums. I think that's the last of it. I'll pause the video again for a couple of minutes. Give you guys a chance to do it on your own. Okay. The full lesson can be found in the description box below. Okay. What's the cube root of 27? 3, 8, 12 over 3. Not so. B, 9 over 3. So it will be 3A. What is 12 over 3? 4. B, 9 over 3. Who got that right? Where did you go wrong, Michael?
Sir,
Yes?
I said 3A.
Yeah?
Oh, sorry, I got
You just want to talk to me a little.
it right.
Then you might, you got it right, you have to step in. Okay. So that since you got that one wrong, you got it right. So do the next one, number 9. What did you have here?
I got. Sir, I didn't. I just went straight to the answer.
No problem. What's your answer?
I said 2A, 3A, 3.
You all agree with that? Yes. But what sign belong here, Michael? Multiplication. And what is 2A times 3A cubed? 6. A to the exponent? 4. There's a 1 there. 6A to the exponent. Who got that wrong? Where did you go wrong, Michael? Yes? 9 times 2. So you got a 9 here. But what's the square root of 9? Anybody else? You will understand.
Sir?
Here?
When we, so we went to knock down the grading system exercise.
What did you then say?
I just said to a 3A to the power 3.
Say again, you're right.
That
There's, oh, you stop there.
yes, but I
But-
didn't put the dot to indicate multiplication. I just said 2A, 3A to the power 3.
We didn't have penalized you, but in future just write a dot to a multiplication rule. Okay.
Yeah, I'm also asking if I didn't write 6A to the power 4, whatever.
So you stopped here.
Yeah, I stopped.
Of course you're going to lose them. Because that is in the simplest format. That is what we're doing all the time, we're simplifying all the time. You understand? So if you leave it there, then you're going to lose one more. Okay. Anybody else? The next one. Mizan, let's hear from you.
4P.
Yeah, we just move this up. Four PS.
Multiplied by 2P to the power of 2.
Ah.
No, sorry. 2P to the power 2 over 2.
Oh, is that what you're saying? 9
Yeah.
times?
Times 2P to the power of 6 over 3.
You all agree with that, people? The cube root of 80. I know, Yo, what's going on today? The cube root of 8 is 2, the cube square root of 4 is 2. Okay, carry on, Michael. Yes, good start. Carry on.
4P.
Yeah.
Multiplication sign 2P. Multiplication sign 2P to the power of 2. And I simplified it. But I'm ready
4
to-
times 2?
8
8 times 2?
16.
16, yes. P times P?
P to the power.
And P to the power 2 times P squared?
P to the power 4.
Yes, why laughing?
That's what I was wrong.
Oh, okay, so it's funny when you get things wrong. Okay, nice. Do you guys understand? Right, who got that sum wrong? Where did you go wrong, Michael? Yes? You didn't work the square root of 4. So you wrote the 4 here. So you got 4p. Okay, don't make the same mistake again. Remember that everything under the root applies to. Okay. The girl behind there, yes? Sorry? You didn't say or you didn't write? Oh, you copying her. Okay, nice. She wrote the same thing down. Anybody else want to share the life story? Or where they went wrong? Yes, Aya?
I did not exactly go wrong because I got the same answer.
Sorry?
I didn't go wrong because I got the same answer.
You didn't go wrong.
No, but he said, okay, then I put brackets around 4p times 2p.
What does bracket stand for? Multiplication. So you did the same thing. You just wrote it differently. Nice. Yes, Tegan? You might give her a round of applause. I think you want to become a maths teacher. Huh? Maths teachers will make up their own sums, no? Okay. People, any other confusion? No. So that brings us to the end of this chapter. So we're just going to do the revision exercise 5. We'll just check if that is now it's at the end of this chapter. Alright, so the full lesson can be found in the description box below. Okay.